Okay, I've been taking like 5,000 years to do this. I meant to go on Facebook Live to also stream my podcast episode that night, but I had technical difficulties. I have to do some extra fancy stuff to be able to stream on multiple platforms at once. So that's still a work in progress as of right now. I don't think it was meant for the older generation to tap into that conversation anyway, because the topic for that day was religion and mental health and religious mental conditioning. Thine conditioning. What does conditioning mean? And I feel like I have to give vocabulary lessons on my platform because there's kind of limited Marshallese words that can explain emotions and actions. Conditioning melele when they program your mind to work a certain way. Literally program your kamilis. So there's two types of conditioning. And I had to write this down so I can remember it. One is learning by association, like monkey see, monkey do. You do things just because you see everybody else. The second type of conditioning is operant conditioning, learning through rewards and punishment. So if they like what you do, they give you a reward. If they don't like what you do, they beat your ass. What does that sound like? Just think about it. What does it sound like? For example, a lot of us have been programmed to treat and look at our ancestors as savages and not human beings that had their own way of life. That's programming, conditioning, religious mental conditioning. But I don't think that conversation was meant to be had around older generation because a lot of you guys don't even believe in Ijmil and Kamilich anyway, mental health. So it's that's one of the barriers that stands between the generations right now, the closed-mindedness. So it's like limited topics that I can talk about on Facebook. Otherwise, everybody's just going to keep wanting to argue, which I'm not there for. There's many other things that I'm limited from talking about because throwing a grenade into a freaking village and explodes. So if it's meant to be that I host on Facebook, then it'll happen. But as of right now, it hasn't been meant to be. No matter how much I want it to be, it's just not right now. But the episodes are going to be posted on my YouTube. Keep an eye out.